Thank you very much for visiting Hotels Etc. White Label Travel Solution System. We're going to go over the Purple engine here, and I'm going to kind of show you inside and out what this system has to offer. This system is available for customization and where you can earn commissions and customize completely to your website. Keep in mind, the way the white label program works is you are responsible for your front end, your memberships, your front end, your membership subscriptions, your front end customer service, your website. That's all your responsibility. We're going to take our API, our engines, and install it in your members area. Basically, when somebody accesses the members area and they open the booking engine, we're responsible from everything at that point: the bookings, the cancellations, the inventory, the customer service, the chargebacks, the credit card process, and everything. We're responsible for the back end. That way you can continue to just manage your front end, your website, and handle your customer support. But this is the system. This is called the Purple engine. Inside the Purple engine, we got travel, parks and tickets, eat, play, and shop, things to do, flights, and cars. So what we're going to do here, and then you can see some nice things, images down here: save on theme parks, the savings that you get, popular destinations broken down, and etc. We also have a mobile app that you can download and get customized for yourself, and that way your members can use it. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just search Orlando, just because that's very popular at this time of the year. So we'll search Orlando, Florida, and we'll just go here and here and see what. Now what's going to happen is our system is searching all of the suppliers to find out which one has the best rate. It could be a direct contract with the hotel, it could be from an aggregator, it could be from a different supplier. So it's checking all the inventory that's available to bring back the best and highest discount. So as you can see here, the very first one is the Waldorf. So here, this system actually shows you the comparisons between the online engines like Hotels.com, Orbix, and Priceline. You can see here everybody is $534 a piece per night. Your cost through the system is only $300, and that's saving you $234 per night. Keep in mind, we're only searching for one night here, so $234 a night savings. Here's the Embassy. You can see the prices and the public rates. Palazzo, 184. Ours is 54, which is saving you $131 a night. As you can see, majority of the online travel agents out there like Expedia, Orbitz, Priceline, etc., they're going to be all the same price, if not within a couple of dollars from each other, because it's against the rate parity law for any public site to discount the inventory. So the only way you can get a true discount on a hotel is to be part of a CUG program, which is also known as a closed user group. So we're going to go back to travel one more time, and we'll just search another popular area right now at this time of the year is Las Vegas. And once again, I'm going to the places that have the highest tourism, because that's typically the place that's going to be the hardest to get a discount or even have inventory. Now what is great, a lot of times the online agents could be out of inventory. However, we still have it, and we even still have it at a discounted rate. So that's a good plus. There's been times that hotelers had to call us up and buy inventory back from us. First of all, because we have it cheaper, and second of all, we're the only ones that have the inventory. So here is Waldorf. The best public rate across the internet is $469. Ours is $187, saving you $282 a night. You can see here the best public rate. This one's $359. Ours is $123, saving you $236 per night. There's also a ton of search features over here. You could break it down by star rating, guest rating, price per night, amenities, even the hotel brands. There's even more additional to break it down by hotel brands. So there's a lot of search features here to help you navigate down to where you're wanting to make a reservation at. Parks and tickets, this is great. You know, there's only a few companies on earth that has direct contracts with the theme parks, and this is one of them. So you get your amazing savings with Walt Disney World and your theme parks, and help you and your family save some money while you're traveling. So eat, play, and shop. This is local discounts, which are only valid within the United States of America. You have automotive, car rental, condos, casual dining, dining and food, recreation, golf, health and beauty, home and garden, movies, service, shopping, and ski and snowboarding. You can also narrow it down by distance, and also how to redeem. In person, redeem online, or you have to call to redeem. You can kind of see the different discounts it gives you: Waffle House, Longhorn, IHOP, Red Lobster. And let's face it, the $5 savings is a $5 savings. $10 is $10. 10% is 10%. So don't focus on how big the savings is. Focus on how much money we're able to save you. With the way the inflation is going in the economy, saving $1 is like saving $2. So you definitely want to do everything you can to save money. Once again, this system is completely customizable. It also has, oh, it's probably not letting me because my mouse ain't going up hard. Nope. So it's in English. And then you can also look at your account, your past reservations and etc. So this system here has incredible discounts. There's over, I believe, 800,000 hotels that are in this system here. And I believe over 1.5 million discounts, give or take a few, that are available in this system here. If you have any questions on this system, once again, this is called the Purple Engine. You can give us a call. You can also visit our website, www.hotelsetcetera.com. You can also schedule a booking directly with me at hotelsetcetera.com/appointment. If you have any questions, please let us know, and we look forward to working with you in the future.